Hi everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to tell you all the controls and gestures for your G2 AliExpress speaker. So here we do have 4 buttons. With the M button we can switch between Bluetooth module, micro SD module and USB module.
Głośnik gotowy do sparowania.
Apart from that, we
połączony prawidłowo.
have these minus and plus buttons, which are for increasing and decreasing the volume level and moving to the next and previous song. If we just click plus, we can go to the next song, and if we hold plus, we can increase the volume level. The same is with the minus. We can go to the previous song and lower the volume level. And with this button we can play and pause our music. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.